Are you looking for the best drones under $200 reviews? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $200 reviews. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Holy HS-110G Drone. Holyton HS-110G GPS drone is designed with beginners in mind. This drone combines user-friendly features with advanced technology to provide an exceptional flying experience. The HS-110G features a high-definition 1080p camera, delivering crisp, clear images and live video footage straight to your device, making every flight an opportunity to capture stunning aerial views. With GPS auto-return functionality, this drone ensures safety by returning to its home point automatically if it loses signal or power, or simply at your command. With two modular batteries that extend flight time to 26 minutes, you have ample time to explore the skies. The detachable propeller makes it effortlessly portable, while the control range of up to 984 feet opens up new horizons to discover. Whether you're setting a custom flight path or using the Follow Me feature, this drone is engineered to provide a seamless and enjoyable flying experience. Its ease of use is further enhanced by the altitude control system, allowing for stable flights and helping beginners master flying quickly. Video capture resolution, 1080p. Skill level, beginner. Item weight, 6.2 ounces. Battery capacity, 1500 mAh. Control type, remote control. Media type, SD. Maximum range, 300 meters. Material, plastic. Wireless communication technology, Wi-Fi. Battery cell composition, lithium polymer. Special features, FHD camera, GPS auto-return, Follow Me, altitude hold. Age range, description adult. Some issues with the return to home, RTH, function not working as expected. GPS auto-return, equipped with GPS location, the drone can memorize the home point and return automatically whenever the drone lose signal or lose power or whenever you press down auto-return button. Intelligent features, you may set a customer flight path at your will or instruct the drone to follow you automatically. Upgraded configuration, detachable propeller makes the drone easy to carry, two modular batteries prolong flight time to 26 minutes, control range is up to 984 feet. 1080p HD FPV camera. The HS-110G drone with 1080p HD camera can record images and voice at the same time. And you may share them on the social media immediately through the app. Easy for beginners, the latest altitude control system enables stable flight. There are considerate icon on the controller and app to help users grasp flying skills sooner. Number 2. Ruko U11S Drone. Ruko's U11S drone emerges as a best choice for seasoned drone enthusiasts, offering an impressive 4K UHD camera at a price point under $200. This drone doesn't just capture moments, it immortalizes them in stunning clarity and detail, making every shot and video worthy of sharing. With FAA Remote ID compliance, the U11S ensures you're flying with peace of mind, meeting all regulatory requirements without compromising on performance or features. Designed for adventurers and creators alike, the U11S enhances every aspect of drone flying. The foldable design and extended 40-minute flight time make it an ideal companion for exploring the great outdoors. Whether capturing wide landscapes or intricate details, the adjustable 90 degrees camera angle provides flexibility and creativity in your shots. The drone's dual positioning systems, optical flow for indoor stability and GPS for outdoor precision, ensure that every flight is as smooth as it is enjoyable. Some difficulty with flight accuracy and control stability. Number 3. Holy HS-710 Drone. Holyton secures another place on this list with its HS-710. Featuring a 4K UHD camera and 5G FPV transmission, this drone captures stunning visuals with exceptional clarity. The wide-angle lens spanning 120 degrees and a flexible 90-degree structure provide expansive views, elevating every shot to cinematic levels. Its intuitive functionalities, such as GPS Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Smart Return to Home, ensure an immersive and stress-free flying experience, empowering users to concentrate on unleashing their creative potential. Moreover, the HS-710 boasts a triple stability system integrating GPS, GLONASS, and optical flow positioning, guaranteeing unmatched steadiness during flight, even in adverse conditions. The brushless motors strike a perfect balance between power and durability, prolonging flight durations up to 25 minutes. Its compact, foldable design not only facilitates portability but also exempts it from FAA registration, making it an excellent travel companion. Video capture resolution, 4K. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi 5G FPV. Age range, description adult. Color, black. Skill level, beginner. Item weight, 240 grams. Battery capacity, 1820 mAh. Video capture format, 4K. Control type, remote control. Media type, SD. Maximum range, 1968 feet. Battery cell composition, lithium polymer. Number 4. Contixo F24 Pro Drone. Contixo's drone offers more than just portability. It folds easily for convenience and boasts a 4K UHD camera, ensuring each shot delivers stunning clarity, deep contrast, and vibrant colors. Its 120 degrees FOV lens widens your view, letting you capture every memorable moment from above. Plus, its advanced GPS ensures stable flight and precise home returns, making it an ideal companion for both novice and experienced pilots. The F24 Pro incorporates foldable brushless motors into its design, enhancing durability and flight efficiency. With an upgraded 2,500 mAh battery, it provides up to 30 minutes of flight time, allowing users to enjoy extended aerial exploration. Smart features like Follow Me, Orbit Mode and Gesture Control simplify capturing perfect shots, while the included carrying case adds convenience. Camera resolution, 4K UHD 2160p. Flight time, up to 30 minutes. Battery capacity, 2,500 mAh. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Control range, 1200 m/3600 feet. Video transmission range, 500 m/1640 feet. Maximum supported TF card, 128 GB. Control type, remote control. Material, plastic. Weight, less than 1 pound. Folded dimension, 6.89 by 4.13 by 3.15 inches. Wireless communication technology, Wi-Fi. Battery cell composition, lithium polymer. Number 5. Holyton HT50 Drone. Holyton's HT50 features a 4K UHD camera with adjustable angles up to 100 degrees and a wide-angle lens spanning 120 degrees. It captures intricate details from impressive heights, delivering stunning aerial perspectives. Its high-resolution camera ensures vibrant colors and crisp contrasts in every photo and video. The HT50 isn't just for capturing visuals, it's engineered to elevate the flying experience with GPS functionalities like auto-return, Follow Me, and Waypoint Fly, catering to various flying needs. With brushless motors, the HT50 offers stable and robust flight performance. Advanced features such as altitude hold and headless mode further enhance control. Despite its advanced capabilities, this drone remains user-friendly, especially for beginners, due to its intuitive controls and easy handling. Weighing less than 250 g, it's highly portable and doesn't require FAA registration, making it ideal for spontaneous adventures. Difficulty with the battery connection and remote pairing.